So how do I earn $128 per subscriber? I'm going to tell you how it's done right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today we are going to talk about how I earn $128 per email subscriber on my list. If you're a beginner and you're looking to build a business online, I'm going to show you how you can build an email list and then how to monetize that email list without ever having your own products, without ever having your own services, without ever even having to process a credit card yourself. Simple process. Plus, if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to give you a copy of my book just for listening, just for learning. This is the 8-figure funnel formula that will walk you through exactly what I'm about to teach you in this video, but you'll get this book completely free. No catches, no shipping and handling charges or anything like that. It's just legit free. I know, hard to believe, right? So how do you earn $128 per email subscriber? Well, let's just get this out of the way. I've been doing this for a long time. I made over $100 million online. I've had a lot of success as I have kind of, built my business here. And so obviously there are things I know that a lot of people do not know. And that is the reason why I built this YouTube channel. It was to disclose that, it's to share that, it's to teach that, it's to cut through all the fluff that you see when you get on YouTube and you try to find out how to do something. You have to sift through 90 videos to find, what you should be able to find in every video, which is the stuff that really works. And that's because a lot of people regurgitate things they've never done before. I actually have done this. My email list is in excess of 2 million subscribers now. And I can tell you right now that our current pacing is earning up about $128 per email subscriber. So I've got some new strategies here, and I'm gonna break them down for you. If you're excited about that, just give me a heck yeah in the comments below. Just type heck yeah. You're excited about learning how to build your email list and how to monetize it without ever building your own products. When you do that, it will qualify you for one of the cash prizes that we're gonna be giving away. In fact, Nick, I want you to find somebody in the comments as soon as this video is posted live and select somebody, tag them, and let's give away $50 to somebody who leaves us a comment right now and says, heck yeah, okay? Also, if you are not currently a subscriber on my channel, what are you thinking? Click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, make sure you don't miss out on any of these trainings. All right, $128 per email subscriber. How do we do it? What is it? Well, first of all, the thing is we have to figure out who are we trying to get to subscribe to our list, okay? That's important, the who, right? Because once we figure out who, we have to figure out what, okay? What is going to get them to give us their email address? Usually the what is going to be some kind of a freebie. We call them freebies, right? For instance, this would be a freebie. I'm gonna give you a copy of this book, and I'm gonna tell you how to get it in just a minute. But in order to get it, you're gonna have to give me your email address. Why? Because I would like to communicate with people who are interested in what I'm teaching. This is a very basic principle. So, very simple. All right, so we have to come up with a freebie. What can we give away for free to the person, to the who, okay? So it's like, what are they interested in? Once we figure that out, okay, we do what we build a simple funnel. Now, a simple funnel looks like this. It's a web page that says, get this free, right? Whatever X is the what, right? And then there's just a little thing here that asks somebody for their email address. And then once somebody puts in their email address, two things happen. One, they go into your list, and two, they go to what we call a thank you page. And this is where they download the free thing. Okay? So they get to download the free thing right there. Now, you might be saying to yourself, okay, Anthony, how do I build those pages? Well, hold tight. I've actually built some for you. I'll give them to you in just a little while. I'll give them to you completely free, right? Simple funnel, all right? All we need is 2 pages. People talk about, oh, I need to build a big website and all that. You don't. You need 2 simple pages. I'm going to give you those in just a little while. So you don't even need to have to build these yourself. All right, now, once you have this list, okay, since we know who, all right, since we know who we're marketing to, once we've got our list, what we need to do is we need to locate affiliate programs for products our list wants. Okay? So we need to locate affiliate programs for products that our list wants. Now, there are affiliate programs on ClickBank. They have almost everything under the sun. There's JVZoo. And then there's just other networks, right? There's tons of different networks. And then there's sites like Amazon, right, has an affiliate network. Best Buy has an affiliate network. Like, all of these companies have affiliate networks, right? Or affiliate programs. So what we're going to do is we're going to select some of these products and services from these various, okay, affiliate networks and programs. And then we're going to start sending out emails, call them promo emails, okay? And these promo emails basically go out, if I could spell, let's see. These promo emails go out to your list, okay? And they are promoting one of these affiliate products. So they go promo to your affiliate link, okay? So basically, inside of your email, there is an affiliate link, okay? And once somebody sees that affiliate link, they click on it, you make money, okay? They click on it, they buy something. This is where, this is where you make money, okay? Is when they buy this. It's real simple, okay? So it's a very basic principle. Now, what's interesting about this is it's a lot easier than it may seem at first for a beginner. All you really need to do is locate affiliate programs. That's simple to do. I just gave you a list of places you could do this, and then build a simple funnel. If you feel like you could do this, just give me a yes in the comments box. Just type yes in the comments below if you feel like you can do this. It takes 2 seconds. Engage. The more you engage, the more you learn. So it's not a difficult thing. And this is how we earn this $128. We find good affiliate programs to promote to our list. I wish I could make it more difficult. I wish I could make it more like, oh my gosh, this one thing. But like, that's just what we do, and it works. The thing is, you need to know how to build a list. I teach you how to build a list in this book. I show you exactly how it's done, step by step, how to build your email list. If you click the link that you see right below this video, there is one right below the video. You might have to click show more or see description. And if you're on mobile, it might be in like the top right-hand corner, you'll see a little arrow pointing down. You click it and it expands and it shows you the description, okay? Where you can see the link. The very first link that you see below is going to get you access to this book for free. It's also going to give you access to my Partner with Anthony program. That's where you can partner with me to build your email list and to build your business. Basically, I give you the funnel, those 2 pages I was telling you about, I give you those already done for you. That email list, I show you exactly how to set it up, and I even show you how to write the emails. Those affiliate programs you got to find? I've already found them for you. I found the most, what I think anyway, are the most profitable ones, and I show you exactly where to get your affiliate link and exactly where to plug it in. You're basically using my ecosystem and my sales machine, but you're using it for yourself. It's your affiliate links, you make the money, I don't even make any money. So literally, you're just tapping into a machine that's already built, that's already cranking out sales for me. I've done over $3 million in sales with 4 different affiliate programs through this one little ecosystem. You get access to it, tap into it, use it for yourself, but you got to click the link below. So there's a link right below this video. Click it, get your access to this book for free. And then also check out the Partner with Anthony program so that you can partner with me and I can do a lot of this heavy lifting for you. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something here, all you've got to do is 3 things to qualify to win some prizes here on my channel. Number 1, subscribe and turn on notifications. It takes like 2 seconds. Just click the subscribe button. Number 2, click the like button. When you like this video, and it takes like half a second, right? It's right underneath the video. When you smash the like button, it tells YouTube to share this with other people, which is what we want. And then leave me a comment. What are your thoughts on this? Do you have any questions? Give me some feedback. The more comments and the more feedback I get, the better off I'm going to be able to teach you, right? The more training I'm going to be able to do. And I'm going to be able to do it in a way that truly fulfills your need, right? Like what it is that to connect the dots for you. When you subscribe, like, and comment, you'll be qualified to win any of the cash prizes that we give away here on my channel. And then, of course, make sure that you click the link below, get a copy of my book, get access to my Partner with Anthony program, and let me help you get started building your email list, building your business, and monetizing it at a very high level, because that's what it really requires to be massively successful. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I sure hope you'll be back tomorrow as I release another affiliate marketing training.